Hey love crew, it's Free Natural Love and I'm back bringing you another video. This time I'm going to show you how I do my fake bun. It's just really about how I get that full, thick, curly, textured bun without stretching my hair too much and creating too much breakage. So if you want to see how I do that, stay tuned. I also want to take this time out to say, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and also don't forget to join my notification crew because I need more of you. Okay, please come join us. Jumping straight into the video, I'm showing you guys what I'm working with, and it's an old puff. At this point I'm not sure how long it's been, probably a week, but I cannot have these ends out any longer, so that's why I'm opting for the bun, because it's not quite washed there yet. So I'm just going to loosen my hair and spritz it with water. You guys know, if you've watched any of my other videos on Instagram or here on YouTube, that I do not manipulate my hair without water. No man, no, not over here. So I'm just going to spritz in the water, not too much, just enough to loosen up my hair that it can absorb a bit more product. Yeah, of course I'm being extra hair, but the water feels so damn good in my hair, like it needs. When your hair needs moisturizing, moisturize it. So basically I've just sprayed water everywhere where I'm going to apply product, and that's mainly the base and my end. I always seal in the moisture with an oil. Today I'm going to be sealing in that moisture with olive oil, and if my hair is extra dry, I will go in with a leave-in conditioner before the oil, and I'm just going to smooth the oil throughout my edges, the base of my hair, and just try and get it in on my ends. And I'm sure you guys know olive oil is good for the winter. It's good for that shine, and it's good for that moisture, sealing it in, that is. And of course, I'm gonna go in with my favorite gel, Eco Styler olive oil. I use this for everything. Like, I'm actually trying to find a new gel that is just as good though. So if any of you guys that are watching this video, if you guys have a bomb gel that works just as well or even better than Eco in your opinion, make sure you help your sister out and drop it in my comments below. Right now I'm just going to focus on the base of my hair and smooth that out, and I'm going to use my hard bristle brush just to smooth it out and just make sure the gel is all brushed out. Some of you guys may know it as a slick brush. Yes, I still use a DIY puff maker, ponytail holder, whatever you want to call it, because all of the ones that I buy go missing. These are the only ones you can find. So I'm just going to start by putting my hair in a puff. And if you don't know how to put your hair in a puff, I have a video on that on my YouTube channel and on my Instagram, and I'm sure you can find a lot on YouTube. So this is what we have once I put it in a puff. Don't worry about the edges, we're gonna take care of them later. But for right now, I just wanna focus on creating the bun. So, using my infamous bobby pins, I'm gonna grab the longest strands of my hair, not all of my hair, but just the longest strands, and I'm going to wrap it around my puff, or wrap it around my hair per se, so that my ends are covered up. And I'm just going to use my bobby pins to, I'm going to use them to secure it. With this style, bobby pins will be your best friend. You can mold the bun however you like. As long as you've got enough bobby pins, you can shape it however you like. I had enough bobby pins, but because I was looking through a very small screen, I couldn't see that the back part wasn't quite all the way there yet. Going back in with my Eco Styler gel, I'm gonna do my edges. I love doing my edges. Like, I don't go wild, even though I love wild edges, but I love doing them. It's so creative. You don't know what you're gonna get. Like, you actually really don't know what you're gonna get. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna get because I'm not a master at this, but I try. So I'm just gonna use my hard bristle brush again, and sometimes I go in with a fine tooth comb to just shape my edges the way I like them. And is it just me, or is it true that you can't get both sides of your edges exactly the same? Because I can never do it. If you can, comment down below what you use, because I can never get them to just be like that. Look. To be honest, I'm feeling it just like this, but we're gonna use the headscarf just to seal the deal. And if you're not familiar with the headscarf method, it's just where you just tie your headscarf over your head once you finish doing everything and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes just to keep it laid all day. And bam! I have not worn a lot of buns in my time. I feel like 2018 has been my bun year and I am loving it. Don't let anyone tell you you can't have a bun, even if your hair is short. This is why we have this bobby pin method, okay? So guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you show me with your likes, your comments, and by subscribing to my channel. And yeah, see you in the next one.